exist. Underneath your gravity, I'm weightless, lost in eternity. Your touch rewrites my destiny, falling softly, endlessly. Your shadow weaves into my dreams, stitched by midnight's fragile seams. No escape, no letting go. I'm bound to the depths you show. Caught beneath your endless sky, I surrender, no reasoning why. In your pull I find my peace, underneath your gravity's release. Yeah, feel the heat, so close, so deep. Late night, your voice in my ear, soft words pull me near. Fingertips trace like poetry, every touch you're calling me. Don't say a word, let the silence speak. Your heartbeats playing the melody, wrapped in your warmth I fade away. In your arms I wanna stay. Ooh, I feel you close, body and soul. We're moving slow, falling deeper, don't let go. Love me now, just take control. Moonlight dancing on your skin, drunk on love, we dive right in. Time stands still when you're with me, floating high in ecstasy. Ooh, don't stop, take me higher. Feel the fire burn like desire. Heart to heart, skin to skin, no more distance, pull me in. Ooh, I feel you close, body and soul. We're moving slow, falling deeper, don't let go. Love me now, just take control. Take control, don't let go. Still feel you, so close. Moonlight dancing on your skin, drunk on love, we dive right in. Time stands still when you're with me, floating high in ecstasy. Ooh, I feel you close, body and soul. We're moving slow, falling deeper, don't let go. Love me now, just take control. Don't let go, still feel you, so close. Don't let go. Can you feel me slipping through? Moonlight fades on an empty bed. Your warmth is gone, but your words stay in my head. Every promise, every sigh, now they're just ghosts in the night. Ooh, I can't breathe without your touch. Every second I miss too much. If I call, will you answer me? rhythm running through my veins. Did you mean it when you said forever? Or was forever just a game? Ooh, I can't breathe without your touch. Every second I miss too much. If I call, will you answer me? Or am I just a memory? Baby, don't let this slip away. Hold me close, make me stay. I'm still lost in what we had. Don't leave me here, don't fade to black. I'm falling, can you feel it? Tell me, do you feel the same? Baby, don't fade away before this love disappears. Don't fade away before this love disappears. You pull me in, can't escape, don't want to. Your touch is fire, but it burns too slow. Poison kisses, but I crave them though. You got me tangled in your wicked game, but I can't stop calling your name. Ooh, you taste like sin, but I let you in. No way out, no way back, got me lost in your trap. Wicked love, pull me under, make me beg, make me wonder, is this real or just a dream? You break me down so beautifully. You whisper lies like a melody, but I still dance to your symphony. I should run, but I need you near. Every breath, you're all I hear. Ooh, you taste like sin, but I let you in. No way out, no way back, got me lost in your trap. Wicked love, pull me under, make me beg, make me wonder, is this real or just a dream? You break me down so beautifully. No escape, no goodbye, guess I'm yours till I die. Wicked love, wicked love. Still I need you, still I bleed you. shadow dances in my sight. Every step a rhythm divine. I'm lost in you, your hand in mine. Take me where the stars collide. Hold me close, no need to hide. Your heart beats a melody that whispers softly, stay with me. Linger in my heart tonight. Wrap me in your gentle light. Every touch a spark of fire. You're the love I'll always desire.
The way you move so effortlessly, like waves that crash into the sea. Your eyes, they tell 1,000 tales. With you I'll set my fragile sails.
Take me where the stars collide. Hold me close, no need to hide. Your heart beats a melody
That whispers softly,
stay with me. Linger in my heart tonight. Wrap me in your gentle light. Every touch a spark of fire. You're the love I'll always desire. Even when the world turns cold, you want this all I'll ever hold. In your arms I find my peace. A timeless love that never ceased.
linger in my heart, don't go. You're the light my soul will know.
Forever yours, I'll never part. You'll always linger in my
Heart.
I never saw it coming, but here we are. Two lost souls finding light in the dark. Your touch feels like a gentle tide, pulling me closer, no place to hide. Every word, every sigh feels like magic I can't deny. I was drifting, but now I see you're the only place I wanna be. I'm falling, falling into you, like the stars dive into the blue. No more questions, no more fears, just your love whispering near. Your heart beats like a melody, a song that's written just for me. No I still hear your voice in the midnight air. A fading touch, but you're not there. Your warmth still lingers on my skin, but I know this love is wearing thin. I'm losing every part of you, holding on to ghosts of what we knew. Tell me, was it real or just a dream? 'Cause love should never feel like sinking deep. We made, now left behind. I reach for you, but touch the cold. A story written, left untold. I'm losing every part of you, holding on to ghosts of what we knew. Tell me, was it real or just a dream? 'Cause love should never feel like sinking deep. If I let go, will I be free? Or will your shadow still follow me? I'm standing here between the paths, holding on to love that couldn't last. Losing piece by piece, falling faster, I can't breathe. I loved you once, I love you still, but love alone won't bend your will. The night held secrets in its shade, but your light broke through and never fades. A quiet fire, you burn so deep. In your arms my soul can't sleep. You're the calm in my restless mind, a treasure rare so hard to find. With every breath I feel the glow. In your love I lose control. Crimson dawn, you paint my skies. Your love's the sun in my weary eyes. Through the dark you lead me on, forever chasing this crimson dawn. The world feels lighter when you're near. Your whispers drown my every fear. A fragile thread we're holding tight to every storm. You're my light. You're the calm in my restless mind, a treasure is so hard to find. With every breath I feel the glow. In your love I lose control. Crimson dawn, you paint the skies. Your love's the sun in my weary eyes. Through the dark you lead me on, forever chasing this crimson dawn. Like waves we crash, like stars we rise, a symphony Like waves we crash, like stars we rise, a symphony beneath the skies. Your love's the fire, it warms my soul, a story endless, a heart made whole. Under the stars I hear your voice, a quiet sound, it leaves me no choice. I'm drawn to you like tides to the moon. Our hearts align, we're one in two. In your arms I'm weightless free, a hidden world you've shown to me. No need for words, just hold me near. You're my calm, my atmosphere. Moonlit whispers, soft and true. Every word it leads to you. Through the night we're infinite. Our love a flame that's brightly lit. Beneath the glow of the silver sky, your touch sends shivers I can't deny. A melody flows from soul to soul. In your light I'm finally whole. In your arms I'm weightless free, a hidden world you've shown to me. No need for words, just hold me near. You're my calm, my atmosphere. Moonlit whispers, soft and true. Every word it leads to you. Through the night we're infinite. Our love a flame that's brightly lit. We rise and fall like waves in time. Your love's the rhythm, a perfect rhyme. A spark ignites the fire so pure. With you my heart will always endure. Moonlit whispers, they guide my way. Through the dark, you're my brightest day. Every beat, every sigh, together we soar, we'll never say goodbye. Moonlit whispers, soft and true. Every word it leads to you. Through the night we're infinite. Our love a flame that's brightly lit. Whispers fade to gray, but in your arms I'll always stay. Forever ours, this love divine. Under the moon, your heart is mine. Every moment feels like a dream. Your love flows like a quiet stream. In your arms I find my peace, a world where all my fears release. Your voice, it lingers, a velvet sound, pulling me closer, I'm tightly bound. No words can capture the way I feel. This love we share, so true, so real.
Velvet echoes calling my name, soft and steady, lighting the flame. With every touch I lose my way. In your love, I'm here to stay. In the night, when the world is still, your heart beats rhythm, my soul you fill. Every glance, every sigh, 1,000 stars light up the sky. Your voice, it lingers, a velvet sound, pulling me closer, I'm tightly bound. No words can capture the way I feel. This love we share, so true, so real. Velvet echoes calling my name, soft and steady, lighting the flame. With every touch I lose my way. In your love, I'm here to stay. In your eyes, the world disappears. A melody played through the years. The rise, the fall, the sweetest June. We dance beneath the velvet moon. Velvet echoes, soft and slow. A love that only we will know. Every beat, every line, forever yours, forever mine. Velvet echoes calling my name, soft and steady, lighting the flame. With every touch I lose my way. In your love, I'm here to stay. Velvet echoes fading away. In your arms are always laid. Together forever through the night. Our love will burn a velvet light.
Soft guitar strums with a gentle bass line building as the vocals begin with a delicate introspective tone, setting the mood for the song. Underneath the moon, we find our place in the quiet glow of your embrace. The world fades out, it's just us two. Every heartbeat whispers something true. In the silence, your eyes tell me more, a language we've spoken forever before. Let the night fall, we'll make it ours, right in the rhythm of the midnight stars. Midnight glow, in your arms I find a love so pure, it's undefined. Through every moment, through every sigh. Midnight glow, together we fly. The stars above, they light the way. In your touch,
the midnight stars. Midnight glow, in your arms I find a love so pure, it's undefined. Through every moment, through every sigh, midnight glow, together we fly. We're rising high like flames in the sky. Your touch is the reason I'll never deny. The world may spin, but in your gaze I find my peace in this endless haze. As the night swirls, we'll hold on tight. Together we'll burn in the midnight light. The stars above can fade away, but in your arms I'll always stay. Midnight glow, in your arms I find a love so pure, it's undefined. Through every moment, through every sigh, midnight glow, together we fly. In the silence I hear your call. Forever in this we'll have it all. The world may fade, but we will grow. Together forever in the midnight glow. In the stillness, you and I collide. Underneath the velvet sky, no need to hide. Your touch, it lingers like a quiet song. With every note I feel I belong. The world fades out, it's just us two. The moonlight paints the night with you. Whispers in the dark, we're intertwined. Your heartbeat sings with mine. Whispers in the dark, let me in. Your love is the fire, I'm burning within. Soft as a breeze, yet wild as the sea. In your arms, I'm where I'm meant to be. The silence speaks louder than we ever could. In this moment, we're understood. Your voice, it's a melody so sweet. Every word feels like a heartbeat. The world fades out, it's just us two. The moonlight paints the night with you. Whispers in the dark, we're intertwined. Your heartbeat sings with mine. Whispers in the dark, let me in. Your love is the fire, I'm burning within. Soft as a breeze, yet wild as the sea. In your arms, I'm where I'm meant to be. In the stillness, we'll find our way. Guided by the stars, night and day. Your love is the rhythm I want to play. Together forever, come what may. Whispers in the dark, soft and true. In this moment, it's me and you. The night holds our secrets, all of our spark. We'll keep it alive with whispers in the dark. whispers paint the sky. Your silhouette is where dreams lie. A gentle spark, a quiet flame. In your embrace, I'll never be the same. Every heartbeat feels like home. In your arms, I'm not alone. The night unfolds, a tender hue, a velvet horizon, just me and you. Let the stars trace our story tonight, wrapped in shadows, bathed in light. Your love's a wave, it pulls me in, a velvet horizon beneath my skin. Breathing slow, the world fades away. Time dissolves where we choose to stay. Every glance is a quiet song. In your rhythm, I know I belong. Every heartbeat feels like home. In your arms, I'm not alone. The night unfolds, a tender horizon, just me and you. Let the stars trace our story tonight, wrapped in shadows, bathed in light. Your love's a wave, it pulls me in, a velvet horizon beneath my skin. No boundaries, no empty space, just the warmth of your sweet embrace. The moon keeps watch as we collide. A universe blooms where you reside. Drifting in your tide, velvet skies where hearts confide. Through the night, our spirits spin, a velvet horizon where love begins. In the stillness, I hear your name, a whisper in the dark, calling my flame. You touch a spark that lights the sky. In the silence, we're free to fly. Echoes of desire, drifting through the air. In your eyes, I find my prayer. Every moment, a dream untold. In your arms, I'm forever born. The world fades away, it's just you and me. A dance of passion, wild and free. Every breath, a symphony we play. In the echoes, we drift away. Echoes of desire, drifting through the air. In your eyes, I find my prayer. Every moment, a dream untold. In your arms, I'm forever born. Let the the fire burn, let the night unfold. In your kiss, the story's told. Every touch is a promise so true. Echoes of desire, I'm lost in you. The night fades, but our love remains. Echoes of desire, running through